Today I'm going to talk about how to work a double crochet stitch. So most of amigurumi is worked with single crochet stitches, but I do use all the different heights of stitches to be able to create the shaping in my patterns. That includes single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half triple crochet, and many other stitches, decreases, increases, etc. So for this one, for double crochet, you would usually chain at least two, sometimes three, to get that height that your hook needs to be able to make the tall post of a double crochet stitch. So I've chained two, but in a lot of patterns you will see chain three. To make a double crochet stitch, we first yarn over, then insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. You pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. I like to think of the double crochet as having 2 steps, double 2. So once you get all of those loops on the hook, all 4 loops, you have these 2 stages. You pull through the first 2 loops, and then you pull through the second 2 loops for a double crochet. I'm going to work another one into the next available stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up. We have 3 loops now. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now, you should notice that I am not pulling my stitch super, super tight. I'm trying to keep it firm, but not pulled so that the yarn compresses and is super tense. So I'm wrapping the yarn around so that it is fully wrapped, but it's still relatively loose. And the fiber then is full and lofty. So we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up. When I pull up, I want the hook to be almost against my work. I don't want to pull that loop up too much. That makes the loop too big. Then it becomes difficult to sort of pull everything back in and regain your tension. You want to keep your hook just above your work. You don't want to yank it super high or pull it super, super tight. Yarn over. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now I've made 2 double crochet increases into these 2 stitches. I'm going to work another one, yarn over, insert into the next available hook stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, 4 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm going to work a series of these stitches a little faster so that you can get a sense for how that looks. Double crochet is a very common, very useful crochet stitch, often used with granny squares in sets of 2 or 3. The stitch height is about twice as high as a single crochet stitch. So one more time, I'm going to go slowly. Yarn over, insert into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, keep that tension nice and even and not too tight and not too loose. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Last time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's a double crochet. I hope that helps.